Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing the Herrera crossbody wallet in the color purple. We ordered this piece online and it came delivered in this cardboard box with a red tissue paper filling so it doesn't move around. It also came in the lovely signature red Herrera packaging, which I think is just so classy and put together. These definitely make really great gifts with their presentation. All right, taking a look at the item itself, we can see it comes in a beautiful red dust bag. Again, a Herrera signature. Getting the first glimpse of our purple crossbody wallet, we can see this is such a beautiful eggplant purple. The color of the wallet itself is rich, and the gunmetal color of the hardware is just a really nice, elegant touch. I think the matte color of this metal just makes it really unique. All right, taking a look inside our pouch, we can first see that there's some inscription on the back saying that it was made in Spain. Fun fact, these products are all handmade, so every one is unique. This crossbody does close with a front snap right underneath the CHCH emblem, and the strap connects on the side of the pouch in a very secure fashion. The chain itself is pretty long and very thin, which is quite interesting for such a small bag. Okay, we're gonna pack this up in just a second, but let's try it on. Okay, so overall this is a very tiny bag. I do think it's the intention given that it's called a crossbody wallet, and it's so cute and dainty, but I'm not exactly sure how to use this. So let's try and pack it up and see what we can fit in here. So first let's start out with some basics. Let's throw a pen in there. We'll get a chapstick. This can substitute for a lipstick or a lip gloss, whatever is your style. Let's put a Chanel Codes Couleur compact mirror in there if you're interested in seeing that one a little more up close. We do have a full video on our channel. We'll throw a scrunchie in there, a few bucks, and our phone case. Now the phone case, of course, is a proxy for an iPhone 13 Pro. Now you can see that it is very tight of a fit. It doesn't actually fit with the back facing all of our goodies. It does not want to close. I'm sure that you could force it to close and maybe the leather would stretch, but because it's not closing easily, it doesn't seem like an obviously viable solution. You can see we did end up getting it to force close, but it doesn't exactly look the most attractive. So let's go ahead and try and take out a few items and see if it fits a little better. So removing our phone case, which is our more bulky item, and of course if you have a smaller phone, this wouldn't be an issue for you, and just taking a look at the distribution of all of our goodies inside. It's still a little tight to close, but it does carry the essentials. I hope this boxing was informative for you. If you found any value, be sure to give a like and subscribe.